Now for laboratory preparation of hydrogen chloride gas, we have reactants sodium chloride and concentrated sulfuric acid. This is the apparatus for preparing hydrogen chloride gas. In this round bottom flask, sodium chloride is there, and in this Thistol funnel, concentrated sulfuric acid is there. First reaction is very slow. Whenever it will get heat, then reaction proceeds very fast. And HCl gas is evolved through this delivery tube in a controlled manner. And in this washer bottle, concentrated sulfuric acid is there to make the HCl gas dry. Whenever gas will dry up, it will enter through this delivery tube into this gas jar, and it will collect downward. As it is heavier than air, so air will move out. Now see this reaction for laboratory preparation of hydrogen chloride gas. Sodium chloride mixes with sulfuric acid at below temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. Then sodium hydrogen sulfate or sodium bisulfate plus HCl gas will be evolved out. And if temperature is above 200 degrees Celsius, then again sodium bisulfate mixes with sodium chloride and sodium sulfate plus HCl gas will be evolved out. Or simply we can say above 200 degree Celsius temperature, sodium chloride mixed with concentrated sulfuric acid, it will form sodium sulfate and hydrogen chloride gas. Due to this high temperature, we have used here round bottom flask. We have taken sodium chloride to prepare HCl gas because it is cheap than other, and concentrated sulfuric acid is used. We didn't use here concentrated nitric acid because during the preparation of HCl, it is volatile. For drying agent, we have used only concentrated sulfuric acid. We didn't use here phosphorus pentoxide and quicklime because they can react with hydrogen chloride. As example is given, phosphorus pentoxide and hydrogen chloride, whenever they are mixed up, they do their own reaction and form here phosphoryl chloride. Same in case of calcium oxide, when it mixes with hydrogen chloride, then calcium chloride and water is formed. Let's talk about its collection. Always collected at downside by displacing the air, as it is 1.28 times heavier than air. And it is not collected over water because it is highly soluble in water. How we can identify HCl gas, hydrogen chloride gas? As you know, in air water vapors are already present. So HCl is highly soluble with water. When it will expose to air, it gives white fumes due to the formation of hydrochloric acid on reacting with atmospheric water vapor. Water vapors are already present, so HCl gas will mix up with that water vapors and it will form hydrogen chloride acid. We can do this Sure test to check the presence of HCl. We have to bring a rod dipped in ammonium hydroxide near its mouth, means HCl plus ammonium hydroxide, then white fumes of ammonium chloride will be formed with water. Now there are some precautions also. First of all, this lower end of this Thistol funnel should be dipped in sodium chloride, and lower end of this delivery tube should be dipped in concentrated sulfuric acid so that the gas should be dry up, and temperature should be near about 200 degrees Celsius. And if temperature is above 200 degrees Celsius, fuel will be wasted and apparatus which is made up of glass may be cracked, and sodium sulfate can form its own hard crust which can stick to glass and it is difficult to remove.